Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, northern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:02 a.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located near Dale, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Shawnee, Prague, Meeker, Johnson, Dale, Idlewild, and Centerview. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 177 and 192. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.